Hello everyone, my name is Asan Rose. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an entertainer filmmaker and I give tips and tricks for filmmakers and entertainers just like you. Today I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the Zhiyun Crane V2. It's actually my very first gimbal ever, so I just want to bring you guys along with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. Again, this is my first gimbal ever. I technically had a DJI Osmo first, but this is my first DSLR gimbal. So I will be doing more tips, tricks, tutorials, gimbal stuff, and hopefully this ups my game as a filmmaker, you know what I mean? I've always seen whenever people have gimbal shots and this, that, and the other, I've been pretty jealous, you know? So I'm glad that I actually finally got my own hands on a version myself, and it comes with the dual handle grips and everything. So pretty solid investment. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and you know, we're gonna just keep this thing rolling. Remember, like, subscribe, and keep on shooting, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Love that dual pixel autofocus. Look at that.